It's 3:14 a.m. They did not give me any vouchers for a hotel or transportation. I'm sleeping next to a trash can. And security doesn't open until 4 a.m.
Brings up Little Chef. I'm Little Chef. Today's episode of What the Hell's Going On. Everyone thinks I boiled chicken, but I make a delicious chicken parmesan.
Chicken boiler?
You make it.
No, I'm making scrambled eggs. We should have also invested in a bigger coffee maker.
Yeah.
We go through a lot. I'm gonna leave her at 4:35. The flight boards at 7 o'clock. I think that's ample amount of time.
You'll get there by 5, that's 2 hours. Small little airport time.
Yeah. You like my flamingo shorts? We're gonna go see the turtles and go get some lunch on our tender. Careful.
You said we can beach it, but they open at noon.
Is that like underneath our rudders that
Yeah. And I'm trimmed up as far as I can trim up. See the current?
yeah.
See it pushing against the buoy?
Yeah.
That's not good. Look at that old house.
We finally made it to Chat and Chill, which is this famous restaurant in Georgetown. People from across the world will bring their boat stickers and t-shirts to hang up. Should've brought one of our t-shirts! This place is most known for their Sunday pig roast. Now, there is a pig island close by, so I'm wondering where these pigs come from. We came on a Saturday, so there was no pig roast going on, but we went to go find a seat and explore the island. We started to get a bit hungry, so we went to go check out the menu. I think a lot of people are getting conch burgers.
What is it, like chocolate burger? Like what?
Made into a burger.
Do you just take out the whole piece of conch, or is it chopped? Just like the whole piece?
The whole combo is grinded. They grind it up.
Grind it.
They add little thyme.
Alright, I'll get that. Yeah. I'll get it.
They told us we're on Bahamian time, so it's gonna take a while. Do I go first since I'm losing? So while we waited, we played some cornhole, I swung on a scary swing, and we got some conch salad. There's this shack at Chat and Chill called the Conch Bar, and they make it right in front of you. They get the conch right from the ocean. They take it to the table, make a hole in it, and then take out that mussel. And they just throw it in this big conch shell graveyard. We've been waiting over an hour for our lunch, so we played some more cornhole. Woo! Oh my gosh, Mark! Turns out that Captain Mark is a professional cornhole player. Conch man! After an hour and a half, lunch has arrived. But the flies were terrible, and we needed to get back to the boat anyway, so we brought this on the road. Or, I guess, the ocean. anything? You want me to grab something? Got it? You're so excited! We saw some sharks hanging around the boat, so Brian grabbed my GoPro and stuck it underneath the water.
I really want to jump in with them.
I would not want to go swimming with these guys. Alright, we're leaving for break. I got everything packed up. Some clothes in this bag. My laptop in this bag. Let's see if I need anything in here. Toothbrush can stay. Deodorant, hairbrush, razor. All good. Anyone else hate touching microfiber? We're just leaving for a week and then coming back. Bye guys, have fun.
I can eat some jelly beans.
Jelly beans. Oh, did he bring those for you?
Yeah.
Ooh, watermelon flavored. I knew I was gonna have a long night of traveling and I was expected to get into Florida tonight at midnight. So I packed myself a little wrap and then the weather started to change on us. This was the start of a series of unfortunate events. I had to get a last-minute taxi because my original taxi driver was 30 miles on the other side of the island. My first leg got delayed by 2 hours, and I missed my connecting flight. I got into Miami at 1 a.m. The best the airline could do was get me on another flight tomorrow morning from Fort Lauderdale. So I took an Uber from the Miami airport up to Fort Lauderdale.
It's 3:14 a.m. They did not give me any vouchers for a hotel or transportation. I'm sleeping next to a trash can. And security doesn't open until 4 a.m.
The first flight of the morning was at 9 a.m. and I flew into Dallas-Fort Worth. This flight was delayed by 30 minutes, and as we were deboarding, my next flight was boarding. I was hauling butt through the airport. Thankfully, I got to the gate and I was the last person on the plane. We started our descent into Pensacola until there was lightning surrounding the plane. The pilot pulled the aircraft back up and we circled for an hour. We finally landed, I kissed the ground that I stood on, and I will never be flying again. Bye, little chef.